Hello! It is I, Princess Peach! So, I promised you guys that you would be able to see my Princess Peach costume, so here it is! You know, when I realized that Halloween was coming around again, I was like, there's only one thing I can be this Halloween. Use that to be Princess Peach. I mean, think about it. She's the only video game character that gets to be a total slut. She gets kidnapped by Bowser all the time. In one of the games, it's revealed that she has sex with Bowser. She gets to bitch slap opponents. She gets to hit her opponents with frying pans. And one of her most powerful moves is her ass. Some people are gonna be like, you dressed up for Halloween? That's so immature. You're 18 years old. You know, we have our whole lives to be mature. I'm still 18 years old. Maybe when I'm like dead, I can stop dressing up for Halloween. Does that make sense? So I hope you guys all have a great Halloween. I'm gonna go crash a few costume competitions and see if I can't win any money, cause that would be nice, you know? I think I got my costume good enough to where I can like show it off now. Some of you guys are gonna be saying that I'm copying Corey from 5 Awesome Gays, and you'd kinda be right, but, you know, don't count me as Princess Peach. I am Princess Peach Cobbler! If you're still young enough to trick-or-treat, do it. Go have fun trick-or-treating because those years go by so fast. If I tried to trick-or-treat now, you know, I live in a suburban neighborhood, they'd be like, what's this 18-year-old black guy doing at my doorstep? Go have fun because those years go by so fast, and before you know it, you'll be too old. You have your whole lives to act mature.
This voice almost sounds like Michael Jackson.
Do you guys like my sash? Well, I'm gonna go before my roommate gets back, because that'd be really awkward. This definitely isn't the last time you guys are gonna see me, because that'd be stupid, because I'm a princess. So I guess I'll see you guys next week. Happy Halloween!